Hello. So this is a day in the life video. Now I've been at work, but I'm not meant to film at work, so I will add some stock footage of me at work.
Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat and his black and white cat. Early in the morning, just as day is dawning, he picks up all the post bags in his van.
Boom, 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 boom. What a lovely day, said Pat to Jess as they drove along the valley on a fine sunny morning.
Meh, fucking meow! Here we go, first stop, Evan. Yeah, hello, what have you got? Oh, not fucking eBay again. The greedy cunts. Just open the door. Open the fucking door and move it. Oh, fuck it, it's all fake. I'm going to fucking jail for this, you know. Fucking tell you. My dad says you're a fucking wanker. Back off. Yeah. Oh. Here's your parcels now, fuck off. Here we are, home at last.
So work is finished and it's dog walk time. The guys there. Buffs. Xander. So everywhere's looking great now. It's still summertime.
Everything's alright with a violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with a violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with a violet sky. A violet sky must be violet sky the way. Ooh, violet sky the way. Ooh, violet sky the way. Baby, 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 violet sky the way. Ooh, violet sky the way. Ooh, violet sky the way.
The weather totally lied to me this morning. Told me it was going to be raining, it was going to be miserable, it was only going to 17 degrees the whole day. So I wore trousers to work. Cut to me 5 houses in, 20 degrees already, sunspot in the trees, roasting. So I asked her for a pair of scissors and I just cut my trousers. I've not got time to be going home. I'm not that far away from home, but I didn't have time. And once you leave my house, there's no going back because the dogs then think that you're home and want to go a walk. So we'll just get these pair out there walk and I'll get home. I'll do a bit of housework. I've got a lot of stuff to do for Vinted today. Not got any parcels to package up. I'll put some clips on the parcels getting packaged up previously. See it sitting through there. I've not been anywhere in the van for a while. We're so busy now just trying to resell. We're so busy now just with like trying to make some extra money because we've had a lot of money coming out recently. So we obviously had the van's MOT, we had the big breakdown in January that kind of put us back, that emptied the savings. So we've had the MOT, obviously Buffy had our £970 bill at the vets to get one tooth out. I was at the dentist the other day, it cost me £16. I'll start filming when I get back in the house. Going to do some steaming of some clothes, getting them pictured, getting them up in Vinted, show you the process of that. I'll have a double check, see if we've got any updates to do with the £50 whatnot challenge. And I'll see you later. So I've got some clothes there that need steamed, and some clothes there that need steamed, and some clothes there that need steamed, some hats that are needing steamed. This Lego needs dismantled and all put into bags because I've put that up to double check it was all there, and the only thing that's missing is the flame. And the flame's actually is a hairpiece of one of the people, and Lego don't have it in stock because we're going to replace that. So I will double check before I actually sell it without it, but got some remote controls there to get cleaned up, some walking poles to go up for sale, a charger, I'm not doing all that today though. I'm going to steam some clothes, and I'm not steaming all the clothes because we're waiting on a new steamer coming. The steamer we've got now is terrible. It just gets water in everything, then you've got to leave it for like hours to dry. So I'm going to do about 4 or 5 things a day. And then I'll get them up. It's the week before payday, so it's not a great time to be listing stuff. But we'll see what we can do.
1, 2, 3, 4. Historically, I've been reckless with my heart out on my sleeve instead of buried in my chest, tucked away where it should be. And I don't remember ever needing no protector. I'm so bad at being cautious, can't hold back being honest. Cause when you love something, you give everything. So break my heart.
Oh, ran out of steam. Right at the very last bit.
Sometimes I feel like I've been lowering my shoulder, trudging up the hills like Sisyphus with boulders. Getting where I'm going, it's a classic story arc, so I'll keep taking chances.
Parcels packaged up. Go to the post office tomorrow. Hopefully we sell something else as well. So I'm going to go make dinner now, do a wee bit of housework, waiting these clothes drying, they're all hanging up drying, waiting them drying, and then I'll be able to do photographs. I have some editing to do as well. I might even be able to get a video finished tonight. We'll see. So I'll get back to you when I'm doing something a wee bit more interesting than making dinner. Right, we're upstairs to take some photographs. I set this up a few months ago, just a wee tiny backdrop to take pictures on. Looks like a tap dancing stage, but it's no.
So break my heart. Break my heart. Take every part and break my heart. I'm okay with being open to walking away completely broken, 'cause that's still better than never loving at all.
Sorry guys, I got caught up just editing and all that, forgot to film anything else. So, just been editing the first reselling video that's rendering just now. And that was a day in the life video then. So, postman patting it up to about maybe 3, half 3. Then home, dogs, out for a walk, housework, dinner, dogs fed, steaming some clothes, packaging up some clothes, taking photos of clothes, uploading them onto Vinted, hopefully selling them. There will have been a post office in post or every or Yodel drop off at some point during the day as well. But that's not bad, that's 9 o'clock and I've just finished this video that's getting rendered, so it's still to be uploaded to YouTube, so it'll not be up to tomorrow. But I've got the dogs to take out now for their last pee, and then I'm going to get in, put some YouTube on and chill out. So, see you later. Bye.
Break my heart.